So over here you can see by default the Handbrake language is set to English right now. But if you want to go ahead and change the language, all you need to do is go to the Tools menu and then go to Preferences right here. Then what you can do is over here you can see the user interface and it says Use System Language. Let me just go around over here and choose another language right here. Let's say for example, you can go ahead and choose Japanese. Let's say for instance, just like this. So once that is done, you need to go ahead back and restart out the application. So I'm just going to go ahead and close this and open up Handbrake again right here, just like this. And you can see that now it's in Japanese. If you want to go ahead and change it back, you can simply go ahead, follow the visual cues right here and change it from Japanese, let's say for example, back to English, and close it out and then restart the application again, just like this, and you get back over here onto English once more. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with language settings inside of Handbrake. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.